just ordered this to-do list off of Amazon. This is really good. It's an outfit of the day. I just have on some black sweatpants. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, I'm Kaylan. I'm 25 and I film a lot of entrepreneurship, lifestyle, productivity content, and I'm still very tired. It's a little after 5:45 right now. I'm trying to be quiet because Evan's upstairs. He's still sleeping and it's still dark outside, but I got up, washed my face, got some water, and I'm actually about to go upstairs and start work for the day. So I'm gonna make this intro short and sweet because I'm still asleep, but I just wanted to say hi, good morning. I hope you guys enjoy the video. We have a lot of work to get done today, so I wanted to get up early, get a head start on it before I actually start my full-time work for the day at 9. So I wanted to get up, and I'm gonna try to edit a whole YouTube video before work and have that up later today for you guys. But yeah, happy Thursday. Like I said, welcome to the vlog. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna get a lot of stuff done. I'm gonna talk about just balancing, having that work-life balance, finding time for yourself amidst finding time. I've literally never said the word amidst in my life. Finding time amidst, who am I? But finding time, for yourself, with working from home or just working full-time in general, having a few side hustles. So yeah, I'm excited to take you guys along my day today. But I just want to say good morning and let's have a good day. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. It is a few hours later. I am just uploading my video now. I'm actually about to start work for the day. I just got ready, made my coffee. I thought I'd be really tired this morning because obviously getting up at 5 a.m. is very early for me, but I have a lot of energy this morning, which I was not expecting. But honestly, I'm also proud of myself for getting up that early and editing an entire video and getting it uploaded today. The old me, the me 2 months ago, 3 months ago, would have been like, you know what, we can just upload the video on Friday, sleep in an extra 2 hours, and that's that. But I told you guys, I'm really trying to work on balancing content creation, working obviously on my business full-time, and going to the gym. And I'm really trying to make sure that none of those pillars slack. And so sometimes that means obviously getting up at 5 a.m. so we can edit a video before work, and then I'm also gonna go to the gym after work today. So busy day, but yeah, I just wanted to say that because that was a big accomplishment for me. It was something that the old me wouldn't have done and the new me is doing. So I think I might actually continue this vlog into tomorrow and make it a productive work days, just because I have a lot of stuff to get done today and I can't necessarily film everything. And my last work day was a little bit shorter, so I want this one to be longer. So I think I'm going to carry this into tomorrow. Anyways, I'm going to upload this video and get started on work for the day. You guys know, if you watch my work vlogs, I love my to-do list. I think to-do lists are so important for really maximizing your productivity, at least for me, because I'm a very visual person, and so I like to see everything that I need to do. I just ordered this to-do list off of Amazon. I love my weekly planner, if you guys have seen that in my previous work vlogs, but I decided to also order just a plain pad, a plain to-do list, so that way it wasn't as structured. It was only $7 or $8 on Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys. So far, I'm really liking it. It's just really nice to have just a blank pad to write everything that you need to get done on. But the reason why I'm even saying this is because I've kind of been doing a little I don't want to call it a productivity hack, but kind of, is I've actually been making 2 lists throughout the day. So I've been making a to-do list, and then I'll make a line, and then I'll make a list of what I've actually done. So this is kind of what it looks like. I didn't end up filling this one out all the way, but I just have my to-do list, and then I made a line, and then what I've done. So then that way, you know, I can make sure that I'm staying on track and productive throughout the day, because on days where I'm like distracted or looking at my phone, my what I've done list will be very short, and obviously on days where I'm focused and working, my what I've done list will be pretty long. So I'm a very visual person, so this has helped me, so I thought I'd share it with you guys in case you guys are too. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on work for the day because I already worked on this video a little bit longer than I was planning. So we're gonna start work for the day. I'll check in with you guys probably around lunchtime. I'm taking a quick break. It is 2:17 right now, so it's a little bit later. I normally like to take a break around like 12 or 1, but it's been a very busy morning. I'm just a little overwhelmed. I need to like step away from my computer and take a mental break, maybe take the DOG OUT. I don't want her to hear me because then I have to commit to it. She won't leave me alone if she knows that we might go for WALK. And so we'll see, we might do that. But I do know that I just need to step away from my computer, take a break. I'm gonna put my phone down, just step away from all electronics. I'm actually gonna have a smoothie and take my vitamins. So I've been making this protein smoothie shake for the last few months, and it is so good, you guys. It is the best protein shake that I've ever made. So sometimes, and you'll see once we get into the recipe, sometimes I will use blueberries and sometimes I won't. It just depends on how I'm feeling for the day. Blueberries are just so good for you. They are really high in antioxidants, so they really help with inflammation. I'm about to show you guys how I make it because I've been making one of these every single day and it's delicious. So we're gonna make a protein shake, probably have a piece of string cheese, maybe. To be honest, I've been on a string cheese kick a little bit lately. I haven't eaten it for years, but I just recently got it from the store and now I'm like obsessed with string cheese again. Like I'm 5 years old, but it's delicious. So we're gonna make a protein shake, have some string cheese. I'll show you guys the recipe. This is the protein that I'm gonna use. Obviously it's not plant-based and it's not the cleanest, most natural protein, but I will say it is the best protein that I've personally ever had. I've tried quite a few. A lot of them are like really chalky, and I feel like the plant-based ones, I don't know, they just have like a weird taste to them, and I'm not plant-based. Like I will eat, you know, whey and milk, and so this one's perfectly fine for me. But if you guys are plant-based, just use, you know, whatever vanilla protein you have. Smoothie is made. This is what it looks like. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen this. I've posted it a few times, but comment down below if you guys have tried this or are going to try this and what you thought of it, because like I said, I think it's so good. I think we are going to go outside and go for a little walk just because it is really nice out. It's kind of cold, but it's sunny, and like I said, I definitely need to just like get outside, get some fresh air, step away from the computer. Why? You want to go for a walk? Come here. You want to go for a walk? Yeah, you want to go for a walk? Today has been a day. Just got done with work for the day and I changed into my gym outfit. I wanted to show you guys because everything is really affordable and it's really good quality. So I actually just got this t-shirt like 2 days ago from Target. It's by the brand, like their activewear brand, All in Motion. It's really good fitting. It almost feels like that spandexy stretchy material. I got an extra small. Typically I'm a medium, but it looked big. I'm glad I did because I didn't want to oversize for the gym. They also had a bunch of other colors. It's kind of hard to see the black on camera, but I love it. It's the perfect just like everyday gym tee, and it was only I think like $12.99. Super affordable. My leggings I actually got on Amazon about 2 weeks ago, and I have worn them probably 6 or 7 times already, you guys. I love them. They're the perfect leg day leggings. They're pretty much Gymshark dupes. Like they have that kind of like that Gymshark pattern on them. They also have it kind of in the back there, so really flattering. They're really like sculpting too. This is the gym outfit of the day. I'm gonna go put my hair up, put my contacts in, and then we're gonna go get a quick leg workout in. Going between 5 and 8 is definitely not my preferred time because that's obviously when it's the busiest. I typically like to go around like 10 or 11 in the morning just because everybody's starting work for the day, and that's actually when I like take my first break. But obviously we were very busy this morning, and so instead of just, you know, not going today, we're still gonna go get a good workout in. Even though it might be busier, something's better than nothing. So this is pretty much just how I've been staying consistent lately, is just no matter what time I can squeeze in the gym, even if it's not ideal, still going, because like I said, something's better than nothing. But yeah, off to the gym we go. Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. It's around 9 o'clock. I just got up a little bit ago and I made my coffee. So we have our morning coffee, and I'm actually about to get started on work for the day, but just wanted to say hi, good morning. Today's definitely going to be another busy work day, but at least it's almost the weekend. It's also really rainy out today, which I like working on days where it's raining out like this, just because it really makes me focus on work. Where if it's like 70 degrees and sunny, I just want to like go outside, go for walks. But if it's rainy and gloomy, it just, you know, there's nothing really else to do, so might as well work. So there's that. I do actually really like when it rains. So happy Friday. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a busy day, but it's still gonna be a good day. It's around 11 o'clock right now. Devin and I just got ready. We're gonna go to the gym, get a quick workout in. I told you guys yesterday this is like our favorite time to go because no one's there. It's really slow. We actually, when I went last night, I got there around 7:30 and it wasn't too bad, but this is pretty much when we go every single day. But yeah, I just got changed. I'm doing arms today, and typically when I work out my arms, I like to wear tank tops so that way I can like actually see my arms. I feel like I get a better workout in. So these are the tank tops that I wear every single time. They are my favorite. They are from Amazon. They came in a pack of 3, and I wear all 3 to the gym all the time. They're just like a racerback tank top. I'll link them down below for you guys. I want to say they were like $22 for the pack of 3. Gym outfit of the day, I just have on some black sweatpants. You guys know I like to be as comfy as possible all the time, and so if I'm not doing legs, I always wear sweatpants when I do arms. And then I also made my protein smoothie that I showed you guys yesterday. I wasn't kidding when I say I pretty much make this every single day. It's like the perfect pre-workout meal because I have to have something when I work out, like even if it's a banana. But yeah, like I said, it's arm day, so we're gonna go get a quick workout in, get some movement in, and then come back and finish up work for the day. We're back from the gym, and I'm going to make myself a little midday matcha. It's around 1 o'clock right now. So I ordered this matcha off of Amazon. It's the Chamberlin coffee matcha. I went ahead and I already heated up a little bit of milk and vanilla cream here. This is all the milk that I had, so it's gonna be a small one, but we're working with what we got. I'm going to add a little bit less since this is a smaller glass, but we're just gonna put that in there. This is what it's looking like so far. It looks really good. It's actually getting frothy. I don't want it to spill over the edges, but so far it looks really good. Okay, this is the real test to see how good it is. This is really good. This is probably the best matcha that I've had, like even better. I've only really had matcha at Starbucks, but even better than Starbucks is. 10 out of 10 recommend if you guys are looking for a good coffee substitute, but you need some caffeine. Matcha also has a lot of health benefits too. I'm so happy I found an alternative. Now we'll just have to see how the caffeine is. If you like matcha, you need it. It is a few days later. I'm actually just editing this video right now and I realized that I never filmed an outro for you guys. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. After work on Friday, we actually ended up going out to dinner for my grandpa's 80th birthday and I had like 15 minutes to get ready to wrap his present. I was not prepared at all and so I just didn't even pick up the camera, but we just pretty much had a really good night with family on Friday and just a good way to finish out the work week. So like I said, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting my channel. I uploaded my April budget with me earlier this week and received so much love on that video and I'm just thankful for each and every one of you. I am also doing a giveaway on that video that ends April 7th. So this is gonna go up. You're gonna have like 3 days to enter after this goes up. So make sure to go check out that video and watch that if you haven't already. But definitely want to switch it up and do more videos coming soon that aren't work vlogs, but they are gonna be incorporated into my channel a lot more just because I'm working all the time. I want to get content up more and so if I need to work and I need to film, I'll just film a work vlog. But comment down below if you guys enjoy these type of vlogs. But other than that, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.